Hey, good morning, you guys. Jay Boone here. Just wanted to say good morning to everybody and let everybody know that I'm diligently working on creating a channel for us new laser users, people that don't know until they know, until they spend money and then have to go and spend more money. Sometimes they could save themselves a little bit if they knew a little bit more. So I'm trying to create a channel that does that. I first bought my laser, I first got my laser as a gift for Father's Day. I was like, ooh, I really want the laser, and I was so excited to get it, and I fired it up and it stunk out the house. There was so much smoke. And I didn't do a lot of research about it. I did a little, but not a whole lot. I quickly found out you need an enclosure with a fan or it to be outside. Air assist, I didn't know anything about air assist. I thought my laser came with fans that blew air down and everything, and I thought that would be enough. But it's not. It's not enough. So I ended up making my own enclosure, and I'll show a video with that later. But for now, I'm just trying to see if there's an interest for a channel like this. People new to lasers, like me, going through, and hopefully I can save you guys some headaches and some money, and get you guys on the right road to making your creations the way you want them, and hopefully save you a little bit of money and time. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.